In today's video, I am going to teach you how to onboard a new employee in Gusto. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Gusto account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click People. From there, select Hire and Onboarding. This section is where you will add new team members and guide them through the setup process in an organized way. Next, click Hire or Add Person. This opens the new hire flow, where Gusto will ask for a few key details to create the employee profile. Begin by entering the employee's first name, middle initial, and last name. If the employee uses a different first name day to day, you can also add a preferred first name. This helps keep your records accurate while still matching how the employee wants to be addressed. After the name fields are complete, you will choose the work type. Select Employee, since this onboarding process is specifically for adding a new employee rather than another type of worker. Then click Next to continue. Now you will be prompted to enter an email address. Use the employee's personal email address, since this is often the most reliable way for them to receive onboarding invitations and important setup messages, especially before company email access is fully ready. Take a moment to double-check spelling, because even a small typo can prevent the employee from receiving the invitation. Once the basic info is entered, move into the hiring details. Go to the hiring area, then click Compensation. This is where you define the role and pay information, so everything is aligned for payroll and reporting. In the compensation section, select the job title, then choose the labor market and the industry. These fields help provide context and benchmarks, and they can be useful for standardizing roles across your organization. After you make those selections, you will be able to view the annual and hourly figures shown in Gusto. This gives you a clear view of compensation in both formats, which can be helpful for comparing pay rates and confirming the numbers match how you plan to run payroll. Review what you entered for accuracy, especially the name, work type, and email, before moving on in your process. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.